So a question we get a lot is, how accurate is a Zestimate? Not at all. So what Zillow does is they calculate the Zestimate based on properties that are active, so listed homes, under contract, and closed. They also use a radius rather than just a specific area. They're not really comparing 4 bedrooms to 3 bedrooms or anything like that. So you really truly need to get a CMA, a comparable market analysis. What we do is we are looking more deeply into a closer radius. We are not using active properties. They are great to look at to know what your competition is if you're going to list, but they are not good to give you value. If I list a home at $600,000 in a $300,000 neighborhood, that's not increasing the value of a $300,000 house. If you have any questions, please let us know. We're here to help.